Hi, I'm going to show you how easy it is to share any Instagram post with your Rightly link ad riding on top. So it's not account, this would be an account, but it's post that you share. You click on a post and then you're going to highlight what you're going to use for the social post content and then click on your RiteForge browser extension button. Then I'm going to replace the post text, leave the emoji and the link. I'll hit the return button, click in the Rightly link, and I see it's using my default Rightly link ad. So I can change that, for example, to a different link ad. Then I'll see what people get when they click on the Rightly link, which of course is the inherent call to action in any social post that has a URL. The call to action, the CTA, is click the link. And what people get is this. We'll be working on what Enhance does in the future, but you can already advertise on even the hottest Instagram account posts with your Rightly link ads. Get the RiteKit package to do this and much more.